Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Brandon. Welcome back to our Pokemon X Wonderlocke. Now, last episode we started the series, and I'll take actually a team update as soon as she gives us this Paralyze Heal, yes. And then we'll fight that youngster over there. So, our team is now Froakie, Pinsir, and Zigzagoon. Now, Zigzagoon's overpowered. Well, compared to my other team, my other teammates, he's overpowered. Come on, Scatterbug. Let's powder this punk. What's wrong with you? But guys, go subscribe to my new channel if you haven't. It's called Brandon Does Nintendo. It's a Nintendo-based channel. No longer just Pokemon. It's Nintendo fully. So let's pound him real good. One more pound. Should kill. Yes. My nose is stuffy. Fletchling. Okay, this is great. It's Youngster Joey. I just noticed that's Youngster Joey. It's Youngster Joey. He's so cool. Youngster Joey's like the coolest guy in the world. You guys know that? And we learn Quick Attack. We beat Youngster Joey. Youngster Joey's like the best trainer in the world, but he doesn't have his great attack right now, which I don't get. It's kind of scary. In a world where there is no more Rattatas. When someone must find his old Rattata, he is Joey and Rattata, the top percentage Rattata. Do you need a Pokeball? Yeah, I can take a Pokeball. I mean, and you got me stuck, stupid Callum. And this is the chick with a Pikachu, isn't it? Yep, it's a chick with a Pikachu. So we gotta go into Pinsir. I said Pansier. Pinsir. Pika Pika! If you're wondering why I did not use a encounter in this Statuloon Forest, go check out my last episode, the first episode, because that's actually where I got this encounter, which was Zigzagoon. Well, it was a Scatterbug, but I wanted to trade it and got a Zigzagoon. Now let's go to our Pinsir. Fine grip. And we go to level 7. Yes, level 7. Froakie goes to level 9. So Froakie's just suppressing our Pinsir. So let's get through. Wait, yeah, I do want. Let's grab. Fletchling. Froakie. Okay, Froakie, don't kill it, buddy. Don't kill it. You could get a new friend in a little bit. Now, if you guys haven't noticed, I do have a Hippotis, whatever its name is. I'm actually going to check right now. And it's a Japanese name, so I have to look into it. Hippopotas. So, that is, I just use that for training. I will be putting that into PC. And, yeah. So, you got here first. Seems like my neighbor was somebody who has a lot of potential.
The way you Pokemon move is just incredible. I'm gonna show off some of my Pokemon skills when I'm done.
Torino, how could you think about something besides helping my move for once? Stupid.
We're all here. Let's go to Statue City. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Wink, wink. What are we all gonna do?
Wait, for Pokemon, of course. Professor did ask us to complete the Pokedex of it all. And furthermore, different Pokemon prefer living in different places. To put a chance to find any that different from the forest.
But different Pokemon will use different moves. I sure wanna see lots of moves.
What are you gonna do, Callum? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm going to go to Statue City and take on the gym leader. You know, Pokemon trainers test their strength while battling gym leader at each Pokemon gym. I don't want to read the rest. Because I'm so cool. Look, it's confused rules and something. I'm not going to even look at it. Oh, this is great. I'm going to spend some time with my little Froakie. Hey, I got a Froakie too! Oh my gosh, I got a Froakie too. So, let's see. We can get an encounter right now. So, we're just going to put that in and... It's a Bidoof. A Bidoof. Bidoof.
It's a Bidoof.
So hopefully we can get something good for this Bidoof. I'm going to pop my back. Stupid Bidoof. One, two. Come on. Bidoof. Bidoof, I don't want to kill you. I don't want to kill you like I did to that Suwaddle. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go to my last episode of the Pokemon White 2 Nuzlocke on this channel also. 2, 3. There we go. Yes. Wonderlocke. So now we could go Wonder Trade, and I didn't connect to the internet, so I need to do that really quickly. I think I'm... Yeah. So how you guys been? I've been good. Yesterday, Monday, when we last time upload, and we could Wonder Trade now. That stupid hippopotamus, put him back in the PC. So let's see, who we gonna get? Who we gonna get? Let's battle Ethan from United States, Michigan. Okay, hello Ethan. It's a Lillipup. If this is a good enough level, I will actually replace Zigzagoon with this Lillipup. I promise all y'all. It's Korean, I believe. Korean Lillipup. Okay, let's see. Is this a... Let's see. Level 3. Yeah, I will be keeping that Lillipup and replacing it. The Zigzagoon. Poor Zigzagoon only lasted a few minutes on this on the team. Coming through. Yeah. So what we're going to do is actually end the episode off with the PC. Oh, stupid Torino. Whatever your name.
Hi, Beacon.
I just had to do Pokemon here too. Pokemon Center the show are great. You can take the lady in the counter and have your Pokemon here, even though it's a positive Pokemon card. Or it's sent to the carriage. Oh yeah, bitches, the Pokemon Party Base Center still have Pokemon stuff.
So we're going to actually go to this box, name, and name this dead. And we're going to put Zigzagoon and the Hippopotamus in box 1. And now here's our current team to end episode off. That's actually I'm gonna end episode off. And actually and then I'm probably gonna just fight the trainers randomly. But we got Froakie, our Pinsir, and our Korean. Yeah, I was right, Korean Lillipup. But guys, hopefully next episode they should all be at level 10. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Go check out my channel. Like I said.